What if we can upload a photo on Instagram using computer rather than a smartphone? Sounds cool. Without wasting your time, my name is Deepak. Let's get straight into the topic. For this, you have to enable inspect element by pressing Ctrl Shift I simultaneously, and then or maybe right click on existing web page and then choose inspect. Then new window open to right, but I prefer it on bottom of web page. Now click on three dots. Here you have to choose more tools and then network conditions. Then here is option user agent, then uncheck this, then select a box which is next to it, and here you have to choose Chrome Android mobile. Now refresh the page. As you can see that page is refreshed, and now close the inspect element window. Now there is a fully functional upload button icon from where you can upload a photo using computer. How cool is that? Here you can see that you can choose a photo from desired folder. Hope you liked it. Let me know in comment section. Okay guys, my name is Deepak and I'm signing off now. Take care.